Ow. Move. For a second. Okay.
Welcome to World Art. Welcome to World Art Connection with your brother and the Kikens. Today I have my sister here and my mom here. It's usually my mom's. What?
If you didn't understand that, she said, Mabuhay, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today I'm here with my lovely daughters talking to you about school emergency kits.
Yep.
Okay, so one thing that I noticed in perusing all the videos, past and present, of school emergency kits was, for some reason, boys have pretty much been left out of the equation, or people that identify as male, but the gentleman folk have been kind of left out of the emergency kit equation. And I know girls have more hygiene maintenance generally than boys do, but still.
Yeah.
My husband has stated on multiple occasions that boys also need emergency kits as my children continue to kick their legs, which shakes the table and thus shakes the camera. So if the video is shaky and or blurry, blame these two peanuts. Anywho, so we're gonna get
a box right here. And
So
we
we're-
have a guest here, which is
Pink Dolphin. Okay, so we're gonna start off with, I have a regular pencil case. A lot of them are on sale now for like 50 cents, 99 cents. Or you can have a pouch. The pouches that we have are more on the feminine side, but it's whatever's. This one's like gold. It's like a makeup bag. This one is actually a soft pencil case. And I want to say that the colors are pretty unisex or gender neutral, so this would also work. So for gentlemen, my recommendations for your emergency kit that need to go either A in your locker, B in your backpack, or C be on your person all day, every day while you're at school, especially when you are in middle school, and I'm saying 6th grade and up, you need one of these with you. So I would recommend, so for the fellas, you need deodorant.
Yes.
Your bodies are changing. You're making manly smells. Deodorant. Okay? Deodorant. Then a toothbrush is never a bad thing. Okay? This is like one of those little mini kits. Toothbrush with toothpaste. Especially if you have braces, this is going to be important. If you're a fella that has long hair, I have a lot of boys that are rocking the man bun. Okay? Comb with some hair ties. You don't want your hair and whatnot to get in your face. Okay, so there's that. Also, a toothpick is not a bad thing to think about. Also, if you have braces, you probably already have something going on.
You need to brush your teeth every day.
Yes, everybody needs to brush their teeth
School.
every day. Also, a chapstick or kind of something that's gonna keep your lips moisturized. This also can double if you have like a dry patch on your face or like an extra dry patch on your hands or something that's bothering you. You can also use this.
And
So
then
let's see.
we have some chapstick.
Hold on, we already put in the chapstick.
And
We already did the chapstick.
you can smell ones. There's like smell.
Band-Aids. Okay.
Yeah, we need
I know
Band-Aids.
that, you know, I'm Mr. Tough Guy. I don't need Band-Aids. Sometimes you cut yourself open pretty good on something and you need something so you don't bleed everywhere, okay? There's that. Next would be if you want to carry a cologne or something a little bit extra beyond your deodorant. Our school does not allow the aerosol sprays, so this one is a rolly one that rolls on, and it's an oil, so it lasts longer than regular colognes or perfumes. So though this one is better because it doesn't spray. At our school, they don't allow the spray kind because people will like spray each other and it'll get in your face and all that stuff. Plus, it's easy to use too much. This, it's really hard to put on too much of the roly kind because it, you know, you're like rolly, and then you get bored and then you quit. So that. And let's see. Everybody's usually carrying their phone charger.
Like a phone charger's charger.
Your headphones.
Headphones. To listen to music.
Yes. Or to not listen to people. I know some kids that just put their headphones in and there's no music. They just don't want to talk to people. And last but not least, as recommended by my husband, for our gentlemen, is you guys need to carry an extra pair of underwear, okay? Or boxers, whatever you wear.
Yeah,
an extra pair.
We have a little brother sleeping over here.
Yeah, an extra pair because things happen. Sometimes you're sick and your tummy does things and there's an accidental poopy duke and then you're stuck with smells and underwear and yuck. So if you have an extra pair of underwear, then that can help you out. Also, much with puberty and teenagers, your body does things that you don't understand sometimes, and sometimes there's problems. So extra underwear, always a good thing, never a bad thing. Extra underwear. So that's for our fellas. Oh, my daughter's showing me something now. She feels it will also be important for the dudes as well as sunscreen, okay?
Yeah, sunscreen.
Also another thing would be like a baseball cap. You can't put that in the bag, but it's gonna protect you from the sun, and anything that protects you from the sun is good. Oh, and my daughter's showing this. Okay, so another thing that we have, hold on, wait. Another thing that we have, calm down, you can each wear one. Hold on. Another thing that we got when we were in the Philippines are these, and I think they're perfect for if you are sick and you're coughing a lot, if you're worried about dust and germs. These things are amazing, and you can wash them and use them over and over and over again.
Looks like you are your ninja, but you're not.
Yeah, it kind of makes you look like a ninja, but you're not. So if you have access to these, you can purchase them on eBay. I can put some links below if you would like to get those. Those are unisex, male, female. They also come with like really cute little designs on them. You can get like a skeleton face if you want. So yeah, that's really awesome too. If there's anything that I missed, especially with our dudes, if there's anything that I missed that you think would be important to be in your bag, comment down below. Let me know if this was beneficial for you, and we'll see you in the next one. Our school does not allow the aerosol. See, look, watch the camera. Do you see it shaking? That's because your legs keep hitting the table and I keep pulling you back, but you keep kicking your legs out and stomping the ground, and then it like makes the camera wiggle.
Give us a huge thumbs up. Bye. Doing this.
I know, you just kept throwing it. Pick it up because we're gonna need it for the next video.